So I would like to request all the participants to come forward.
This is the pork. That is the competitors going to eat it.
Once again, I would like to request all the participants and all the members present here, all the crowds, we would like to request all the crowds to come and witness. Okay, then. Yes, could you please? Yeah. If you could. So we'll do it. We'll do it on the stage. Pork eating competition. Are you ready? Is there more participants? Come forward. Is there more participants? That's it. No cancellation. First again, third. So, crowd, are you ready? Are you ready to witness? Participants, are you ready? So now I'll be counting 1, 2, 3, right? Ready, right? 1, 2, go! Shirui! Crowd, please, careful the participants, man! Careful the participants! Yes! This is the day. This is the day you show your fellow participants who is the man who can hit pork. At the taco naga, you should show your fellow participants who can eat pork. Let's go! Shirui!
Raise your hand.
Yes. As soon as you finish your pork, you have to raise your hand, alright? So that 최고 블레더 방패 걸려요. 비바지 이동네 비바지 방카가 비바지 이거지 무기지고 그냥 방패 걸려 최고 블레더. 샤이로. 너무 노래한다. 샤이로. 샤이로. 그냥 이러고 우리 짜오지 샤이로. Price 很冷的苗哥喂 ，Price 很冷的苗哥谁都。Are we money that price is up on go? Who will be taking home this grand prize for pork eating competition? Shirui Lily Festival 2025. Shirui. No extra water to say. Make some noise! Make some noise for the participants! Bác sĩ nơi sáng ơi! Mọi người! Chỗ xe cùng phiếu, đi cùng mua đi ra nữa, bám vào mình! Mô! 그만 이상 내가 이거 말고 이렇게 고 펜파니 너무야 고 자요 이번에 결국 이기게 yeah, second. Who is third? Okay, still more to go. One more. Shiloh.当我拿了，我啥？这样回去下边，他会帮我选喽。当我拿了，当我都有干来。Shiloh, 지나게, Shiloh. Phật vân với gì đây chủ? Đi siêu dịch tiêu đại một đây không? Thằng lơ, phát chạy lộ. Chơi rồi, cái giờ đây, nhà hung lên kia siêu dịch. Hung lên nhá. Go.
You guys can give it
Almost.
Come on.
Yeah, you have to. Everyone, please, our respected Department Commissioner of Horticulture will be giving out the prizes. So I request the third position. Please come forward and receive your prize. Please.
We Nagas, we love pork. I love pork. You love pork. Congratulations, winners.
Please. The third position, no? Please state your name.
My name is Bang from Shirui.
Come on, man. We need more energy. State your name.
My name is Bang from Shirui.
Second position. Yes. Please. Claim the prize. Okay, your name, please.
My name is Sujatri and I'm from Shirui village. Yes, for the first, the winner.
And now, where is the guy? As for me, I don't think I need to introduce anymore because he is the one who will be claiming the prize and stating his name as loud as you can with that energy the way you finish your book. State your name. Hello.
I'm Leishi from Pangir village.
Congratulations, Lacey. Apart from the organizer awarding 1 lakh rupees to the winner, fan of pork eating has donated 1,000 rupees. Mr. Joy from Texampong, in addition to the prize. Congratulations.
Okay. Thank you.